Hello, lovely people of YouTube. How are you today? So, yesterday I went to the market and got this cushion cover, but I'm not very happy with it. It is very plain. So, I'm going to make it interesting for a cozy corner in my house where I can sit and read books. So, let's do some embroidery on this fabric. To do this, I'm going to use the pony embroidery strands. There are 18 colors in this box and total 36 colors. I will also need some scissors. This is a pin cushion which I'll be holding my needle onto. I have a pony black needle. This is all-purpose needles. And I also have this needle threader. These are long guide needle, and I also have the needle threader. I'm going to use the black color from this box. This is a cotton thread number C101. For embroidery design, I wanted some letterings over here. So I'm going to write chill here. You can take any kind of marker. Pencil will not show on this fabric. So if you have fabric marker, go ahead with it. I have a regular old pen. I'm sure ink of this will go after washing. So I'm just going to write the word chill here. So you can do your own design here. You can select any text of your choosing to go on here, and then you can have this beautiful cushion for your space. So let's begin with this black embroidery floss. I'm just going to take a few strands from this, and then I'm going to snip it off with our 24 karat gold coated pony scissors. Now for this particular design, I need the floss to be little thicker. So although this has 6 strands in it, I am not going to remove any strands. I'm going to use all 6 of these. I'm going to use these black needle. This is crewels, and these have a bigger eye so that I can thread this floss through that. And I have my needle threader over here. I'm going to put this through the eye of the needle and then put my floss in here and pull it through. I'm going to tie a knot at one end of this floss and start the embroidery. For this particular design, I have selected stem stitch. So we'll be working on the stem stitch. So to do this stem stitch, take a needle out through a starting point. I'm going to go a little ahead and then bring the needle slightly through the back. Pull it through. Once again. So we are at the half of the stitch. We'll place the needle in a little ahead. Just to show you, I'm going to pull it at the bottom. So this is my stitch. And then to bring it back, I'm not going to go ahead but behind. And I'm going to go like about halfway between the stitch and then pull it. Now remember, if you select one side, so for example in this case I've selected the bottom side of the stitch, so I'll stick with that side. I will not go at the bottom ones and at the top ones. It will not look good. So with this said, let's continue stitching. So we are almost at the end. I hope you like this project. I will show you the end result being in use on our Instagram account, so don't forget to follow that. Also, like, share, subscribe, place your comments, share your creations with us, and it's always lovely to be doing projects for you. And snip it off. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon. And this is the final product.